At times, when you try to run the tool, you may encounter this error code. So in this video, we will show you how to fix this media creation tool error. Now you can fix permission issues by executing the media creation tool with administrator privileges. Do it by opening File Explorer, navigate to where you have saved the media creation tool file, right-click on it, then select Run as an administrator. In the dialog box, you have to click Yes. Now you have to wait for the tool to launch and check for any improvements. Another possible solution is to unblock the media creation tool as it might be blocked. Do it by navigating to the location where the media creation tool is saved, select and right-click the tool, select Properties, and in the dialog box, select General tab, locate the security option, then check the unblock option. After that, click Apply and select OK. Lastly, install any pending Windows updates. Do it by opening Settings, go to Windows Update, click on Check for Updates to find the pending updates, and if available, click on Download and Install and wait for the updates to install. Now you have to restart your PC and then run the tool again to see if the errors are solved. So that's how you can fix the media creation tool error in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.